Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make this cute little bunny in the wood. So as you know guys, this is my first DIY video that I'm gonna show you. So I hope you will like it. This reclaimed wood that I had before from my past project. I'm going to paint it. I'm gonna use this chalk paint white from Waverly and Art Minds black chalk paint, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint it first with black paint all the way. I got this black chalk paint from Michael's. I believe it's $1.50 on sale. I got the white chalk paint also from Michael's. I believe it's $10, but it's 50% off, so I got it for $5. Go ahead and use my heat gun to dry my paint. So I'm using heat gun to dry the paint faster. I'll just make sure that I put it in the medium high so it will not burn my paint. I'll make sure that the paint is dry first before I put the second coat of the paint that I want to put. Now I'm gonna put this white chalk paint from Waverly. I really love the chalk paint because it's easy to dry. I mean, even if you don't use heat gun, it will dry faster than some other kind of paint. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry it again with heat gun. So now I'm gonna go ahead and paint it with black all the sides of the wood. The heat gun again to make it dry. This is so easy and super inexpensive DIY project that you can easily make it and follow it. I had this wood from my Christmas craft project, so I just reuse it again. Okay, once it dry, I'm gonna use the white paint again to paint it. Just kinda little dab over it so it will look rustic. I'm gonna go ahead and make it dry again. Yeah, so once it dry, I'm ready to put the bunny that I printed. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bunny all over. And just wanna make sure that the bunny will fit on top of the wood. I'm just trying to figure out if it fits or not. So I'm going to cut it again like that. So now I'm figuring out which way to put the bunny, and I put some little bit of paint on top of the wood because I miss it a little bit to make it dry. So now I'm gonna use this Mod Podge to stick the bunny that I printed. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Mod Podge all over it and stick the bunny on top of the wood, and make sure that you stick it perfectly. So I'm gonna use more Mod Podge on top of a bunny to seal it. Yeah, the Mod Podge is good for sealing. And make sure that it sticks perfectly to the wood. And ta-da! Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this twine. Seeing eyes of mine. I got it from Walmart. I believe it's $5. We're gonna fly like you did. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just roll like 4 times on the bottom of the wood and make a small cute little ribbon over it like that. But I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love. And ta-da! That's it. That's my bunny that I painted when I stick it on the wood. It looks so cute. And that's the finished product of my project that I did, and I put it underneath of my Easter tree. So next videos I'm gonna show you how I made my Easter tree. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell button down below so you get notified once I upload my next video. Thank you guys for watching again, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.